thing you want to do is you want to fold this down, then fold that in, and then just hold on, tab that in like that. And I didn't know this in my original review, but you're supposed to tab these pieces into there like that. So just untab those like that. This piece, fold it up like this, just until it tabs down like that. Take this, fold it in like this. Just try to get this like so if I can. Hold on. This all into here, and hold on. You tab that together as well. I tabbed it off camera. Bend this down, rotate this, fold these pieces up, and this will just tab in to here. They'll just tab into there like that. Untab this, bend this, rotate here, and then fold this around, I think. Hold on, hold on this one. I already finished that one, so you just want to untab this, untab that, then just rotate this, bend this out of the way like that. Make sure it's rotated like this. Rotate. Tab this into there, and then just tab that in, and I believe that we are done. So there we have Scrapper in his Bulldozer mode. I think this is Bulldozer, but there he's in his Bulldozer mode.